Good day. Welcome to another episode of 5 Principles Vegan Cooking Tutorials. Today we're cooking a stew, and the ingredients that are going in our stew is lentils, red lentils, which I already cooked ahead of time. Just gotta cook it in water, 1 cup of lentils, 2 cup of water, and I cooked it with onions. And once the water evaporated, covered it and let it steam. So I put that to the side. So that's gonna go in our stew, as well as some sweet potatoes, some green peas, red potato, tomato, ginger, garlic, onion, as well as our meat replacement is it's like a lamb vegan meat. Tastes great. I love it. Taste it. Oh, that's really good. So what I did ahead of time with this one as well, pepper flakes, oil, onion, a little bit of barbecue sauce, mix it up in a bowl, throw it in the oven, very low heat, maybe 250, 200, and let it kind of cook for about half an hour. It's good to go. The soup is going to taste, the stew is going to taste fantastic. Now to begin. Yeah. After all that cooking, this is what your stew will look like. Looking well scrumptious, hearty. And there you have it. The stew, vegan stew. Garnish it with some green onions. Maybe with some chips, some veggie chips. Goes in there nice and beautiful.